Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use app lock. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and type app lock. Enter it and enable app lock. Now select password for app lock. You can also enable face recognition or fingerprint ID to use app lock. Now select which apps should be locked. And it's done. If you want to disable app lock, tap this button in the settings of the app lock. Let's go back. And as you can see, the app is locked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.